Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the starting material and reaction sequence. The starting amine is CH3, 2CHCH2N, CH2CH3, 2, which is a tertiary amine isobutyl group on nitrogen with 2 ethyl groups. Moving on to the next step. Reaction with CH3I, methylation. The tertiary amine reacts with CH3I to form a quaternary ammonium iodide salt. The methyl group is added to nitrogen. CH3 to CHCH2N plus CH3, CH2CH3, 2I. This gives a quaternary ammonium salt with 1 isobutyl group, 1 methyl group, and 2 ethyl groups on nitrogen. Moving on to the next step. Treatment with Ag2OH2O, Hofmann elimination conditions. Ag2OH2O converts the iodide salt to the quaternary ammonium hydroxide. CH3 to CHCH2N plus CH3, CH2CH3, 2O. And for the final step. Heat, Hofmann elimination Cope elimination. Hofmann elimination of quaternary ammonium hydroxides follows the Hofmann rule. Elimination preferentially occurs from the least substituted beta carbon, least hindered, forming the less substituted alkene. The beta hydrogens available are from the 2 ethyl groups, CH to CH3 beta H on CH3 of ethyl group gives H to C is equal to CH2, ethylene, least substituted. From the isobutyl group, CH to CH, CH3, to beta H on CH2 adjacent to N gives isobutylene H to C is equal to C, CH3, 2. Hofmann elimination favors removal of proton from the least hindered beta carbon. The ethyl groups provide less hindered beta hydrogens, primary CH3, giving ethylene, H to C is equal to CH2. The amine left behind after losing 1 ethyl group as ethylene is CH3 to CHCH2N, CH3, CH2CH3, I, CH3 to CHCH2N, CH3, CH2CH3. This matches option C, CH3 to CHCH2N, CH3, CH2CH3 plus H to C is equal to CH2. Why other options fail? A. Wrong, would require removal of all substituents and formation of primary amine, not consistent with one Hofmann elimination step. B. Wrong, would require loss of the isobutyl group as isobutylene, which is disfavored under Hofmann conditions, more substituted alkene. D. Wrong, this is just the intermediate quaternary ammonium salt before elimination, not the product after heating. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.